All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Just another special delivery for the RS5 from CarbNlab Motorsports in Canada. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, freshly unpacked. There was a bunch of bubble wrap in the box, and then each downpipe was in its own bubble wrap sleeve, and then the flanges are, nicely wrapped. They are completely unwrapped. Like I said, they are the CarbNlab. So you can see he tacks on a plate right here. Let's see if it'll focus. There it is. You can see it's just tack welded on to the heat shielding. And then of course this heat shielding looks to be nicely and tediously welded on. And then here is the opening. As you can read from their website, this is the catless downpipe that does not set off the check engine light. It has a tube that comes in it. As you can see from the other direction, it has a catalyst in there facing the other direction. I think that's kind of weird, but guaranteed not to throw a check engine light. And that's why, because it is faking the O2 sensor out with that fake catalyst right there. All right, guys, let's get to installing these and get to the shop. All right, guys, we got her here. She's cooling down so that we can take these stock downpipes and cats off without getting burned. But I'll show you somewhere near the middle, and then once they're completely off and the new set is on. All right, here we go. All right, guys. There's the stock downpipes. As you can see, they are filled big, thick converters. That's why they're so thick, to get everything clean. And here's the engine bay without them on. Let's get these new ones on. All right, I am back at home already, and the downpipes are installed, and as far as I can tell, no leaks, because obviously I drove it home. Let me give you a nice little side view here. As you can see, there's tons of room now that you get rid of the thick cats. Underneath, below, not too hard of a job. And of course, now that they're installed, the next video will be cold startup. I'm gonna do some revving and possibly, maybe a drive-by, but definitely some sound clips are coming soon, guys. I'll have that next. If you like the video, give me a like, talk to me in the comments. All right, guys, on to the next one.